In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collection lists in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and navigate to the page where you want the collection list to appear. This is important because collection lists are placed directly onto the page canvas. And setting them up in the right location from the beginning makes the rest of the process much smoother. Once you're on the correct page, go to the left sidebar and open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon. Inside that panel, look for the CMS section. From there, drag the collection list element onto your canvas and drop it where you want your dynamic content to display. This element is what allows Webflow to pull in content from your CMS automatically. As soon as you place the collection list on the page, the source menu will appear on the right side of the screen. This is where you connect the list to a CMS collection. Choose the specific collection you want to display, such as blog posts, portfolio items, or projects. After you select the collection, Webflow will automatically populate the list with the first collection item, giving you a live preview of how your content can look. Next, double-click the collection item to begin editing its contents. Think of this item as the template for every entry in that collection. Inside this wrapper, you can drag in elements like headings, images, or text blocks, depending on the structure you want. For example, you might add a heading for a title, an image for a featured visual, and a text block for summary content. After placing an element inside the collection item, select it and open the Element Settings panel. Here, you can connect that element to your CMS fields by checking the option to get text from a collection field or get an image from a collection field. This is the key step that makes your design dynamic instead of static. Keep in mind that any styling or structural changes you make to one collection item will automatically apply to all items in the list. That consistency is one of the biggest advantages of using collection lists in Webflow. If you want to adjust the overall layout, such as changing from a vertical stack to a grid, select the parent collection list and use the Style panel to update the layout settings. This gives you control over spacing, alignment, and presentation. Finally, select the collection list and go to Element Settings. Then Collection List Settings. Use the plus icon next to set filters if you want to show only specific items or sort them by something like date. You can also use limit items to control how many entries appear on the page, which can help keep the page cleaner and improve load times. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.